Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to translate PDF document into another language. Here are some steps to translate a PDF document into another language. First, install Google Translate and Google Drive apps. Open Google Play and download both Google Translate and Google Drive from the Play Store, if not already installed. Upload the PDF to Google Drive. Open Google Drive by tapping Open. Tap the plus, then choose Upload. Then go to Document section. Hold on the PDF file from your phone. Then tap on Select. Open the PDF in Google Drive. Find your uploaded PDF, tap it, then tap the three dots, and choose Open With. Wait for the PDF to convert to text. WPS apps will automatically open, then convert the PDF into an editable text document. Select the text. Tap on the tool, the Edit Text icon on the lower left. Then tap and hold anywhere in the text. Then tap Copy, or you see an option to copy or select all. Just tap it to copy the entire content in the PDF document. Open Google Translate. Launch the Google Translate app. Paste the copy text in the text box. Hold, then tap Paste the copied content. Choose the original language and the language to translate below. Read or save the translation. The translated version will appear instantly. You can copy, share, or save it for later. Now, you can easily translate both PDF documents into any language using just your mobile phone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.